here we are in Sydney. I'm at the container yard to pick up the little Fordson. They've given me this really attractive looking shirt to wear. Yeah, we're just waiting for the guys to bring the Fordson out on the forklift and load up onto the truck, and then we'll be on our way home. So yeah, just got to wait around for a few minutes. The tractor had to be cleaned by guys at quarantine there, and yeah, we'll see her in all her glory in just a few minutes. So just a small container yard, this one. There she is, ready to go. Out of quarantine. Okay, so we finally got home safe and sound without any issues, and managed to get the Fordson unloaded safely, and well, let's take a look at her, shall we? Well, here she is. She's arrived safe and sound, got her off the truck in one piece, which is good. So this is my 1919 Fordson Model F tractor. It's in pretty good shape for its age. Unfortunately though, because it came from England, somebody actually left some water in it during the winter, and yeah, you can see here that it's cracked a nice hole in the side of the engine block here. So, but no, that's fixable, that's not a problem at all. But there we do have an opportunity though to see inside the engine of one of these things. There's two of the cylinders there, so it's actually quite a large space inside these engines, and most of it seems to be full of water when it runs. So, and yeah, but everything else seems to be in good shape there. So the fan belt and everything. Coil box is missing the lid, and of course the coils themselves, but we can get some new ones. That's not a problem. They're Same as Model T Ford ones, I believe. We'll have a look around the other side. The radiator may need some attention, but we'll get to that one. Around this side there's one or two bits and pieces missing here. It looks like most of the carburetor is intact, it's still there. Still got the gasoline tank for starting. And what do we got underneath here? We can see that the fuel line from the kerosene tank is actually missing. Actually, all the fuel lines are missing, but that shouldn't be too difficult to replace those. But other than that, everything else seems to be all here. The gearbox is pretty good. The goes into gear without any problems at all. And the steering's also good. It's just because it's steel. Yep, that all works. Well, I'm really pleased with this find, and I'll keep you guys posted. I'll keep you guys updated, I should say, with videos throughout the restoration of this tractor, and I'm really looking forward to seeing it running again. Yes. Oh, and also the engine's still. You can still crank that over as well. I'll try and lock this in with one hand. Yep, it cranks over, not any problems at all. So there she is, the 1919 Fordson F. I look forward to sharing my experiences with you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you.